Hello everyone, this is Bala Murugan, founder of Taimeryu Pvt Ltd. We are a startup registered entity. So today we are going to talk about the problem faced in the dairy industry. The problem is that India loses annually 3% of its total milk production valued at 4,800 crore rupees, around 6 million tons of milk due to milk spoilage alone. So the solution that we have invented and patented is an portable milk pasteurizer that runs on hot air as well as uses UVC to pasteurize milk at the farm level itself. So the value that we bring to the table is that during milk procurement, the raw milk can be pasteurized at the farm level itself, thereby reducing the milk spoilage, increasing the value of the milk, thereby ensuring the money for the farmer as well as for the companies, processing companies, to be on the highest standards. Say, for example, if a person spends 1.5 lakh rupees for 100 liter per hour pasteurization, he can get back 5 lakh rupees within 3 years because of the pasteurization of the milk and its value addition. So that what's the total market size of this product? The total Indian market is around valued at 1.6 lakh crore rupees with a production of 2.9 million tons of milk. So we are targeting just 1% of that market valued at 6 crore rupees and at an average of 100 million tons. So the difference between Taimeryu's product and the other products which are there in the market, our product can run on solar, grid, battery, with any renewable sources, because it just requires 800 watts of power to run a 50-liter pasteurization machine. So it can run on your simple single phase also. So the heat transfer medium is air. When comparatively for the competitors, it's water, hot water, or steam. So again, they do require a bit of a fuel to it. So here it's just simple atmospheric air which surrounds us. So it's the air, it's a simple on and off operation, and we do use ultraviolet to negate the microbes. So our machine can be mounted on trucks, bikes, mopeds. It is customizable. It can be customized as per the customer's requirements. So in perspective, if a person buys our a 10-liter or a 50-liter machine, the life costing is around 1,56,000 rupees, and there is a saving potential of nearly around 10 lakhs. So the customer stands to benefit by buying our product. And this type of processed milk is approved under EU food law. You can see the number here, EFSA 2016/1189 on July 2016. So this type of milk is approved under European food law. And in FSI, this type of process is approved as long as an heat pasteurization is done to it. So the business model is, it's a flexible revenue model. If it is a common farmer or a women farmer, we do give them on a pay-per-use model where they have to pay just 3 rupees per liter for 3 years, and after 3 years the machine is they own the machine. So for a small dairy farmer, it's based on EMIs where he has to pay the 30% initial cost and the rest is in 18 months, and the MCC they have to pay it at actuals. So our customer is a 4-cow or a more dairy farmer, milk collection cooperative societies, women dairy farmers, and we are moving them through the government agencies, NGOs, self-help groups. So this is our team. I'm the founder, and and we do have 2 service engineers to help us out. So I require a fund of nearly around 20 lakhs to make this happen, and this 20 lakhs can be taken out within 2 years. That's our projection. So this is our details, in-depth details on our startup. Until now, we are an bootstrapped startup. The pictures which you see is the prototype, the minimum viable product. It's for a 100-liter per hour pasteurization machine. So thank you very much.